Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at Kdp Cover Templates and how we are to create our covers for our independent publications. But firstly, let's just go to Google. Once you're on Google page, type in Kdp Cover Templates, and you will get these options. Select the first option, which says Paperback Cover Templates. After you selected that, it will take you to the main page for Paperback Cover Templates. Now you go down to choose your template. They ask you the trim size, the page count, and the paper color, which can either be white or cream. So it's important to have an idea of how large your book is in terms of the page count and the type of color that you would want to use in your book. In addition, the size of book that you would want to be publishing. Now just select the trim size option and you will see there are various sizes of books available to be published through Amazon KDP. There's 5 by 8 as the smallest option, and then there's 8 by 5 by 11 inches, which is the largest option. So we're just going to use a 6 by 9 inch as our starting point. So we select this. Let's say the page count is about 80. And we're going to leave white as the color, and we download our cover template. After you have opened your file, it will take you to the zip folder, select it, and then we are going to select the PNG file. It will take you to this page. What you must now do is right-click and select File Information, and you will see here that the dimensions are outlined in pixels. It's 3729 by 2775. And these are the dimensions that you need to write down in order to have it inserted in Canva. Simply enter your information and go into your Canva account. Once you have done that, you're seeing there is custom size. You're going to want to insert the dimensions that we copied earlier into the section. So we enter it as 3729 by 2775, and we leave it in pixels. And we select Create New Design. At this stage, we will be provided with a blank canvas with the size of the dimensions that we included. Uploads, simply select it, and you expand it to fit the size of the dimensions of the blank canvas that you have just created on Canva. Once we have done that, we just want to lock it in so that when we are working, it doesn't move, all right? And you see, you can unlock it if need be to adjust. But also you want to deal with the transparency issue of it, because you just want to see it as a guideline behind, so you can adjust the transparency level so you're not affected whilst you are creating your cover. I'm just going to leave it at 25 and then select lock. Now guys, this is just a draft book, so all you gotta do is play around with Canva, go in photos, pictures that are available. So guys, I've shown you how to use the Kdp cover template to create your book cover on Canva. All you need to do is to explore Canva further to see how best you can create a cover that is suitable for your book. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
drop a comment, and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing!